Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making moimoi with honey beans and with the beans back. Yes, I know you want to find out how this is going to turn out to be, so keep watching. First, I blended my beans until there are no longer lumps in it, and then I added tatashe pepper and a little bit of ginger. Okay, yes, I just wanted the spice, the taste of ginger, a little bit of ginger in this moi, so I added just little amount of it. And then if you, as you can see, the back of the beans is not so obvious again, so it's still cool if you make your moi using the back of the bean. I went in with my kitchen glory spice, seasoning cubes, salt, and a little bit of nutmeg for taste. Then I'm going in with some coconut milk. Yes, this is going to give your moi a very nice and delicious taste. You know, you can just try something out of the regular. I'm going to add in some vegetable oil into this, and I will also stir this, and this moi is ready to be cooked. You can go ahead, put this in your moi plates if you have, or foil plate, whatever you have. You can just use it to cook your moi. But because I'm in an environment where using this leaf is very easy to get, I decided to use this leaf to make my own moi. So you can see I'm trying to wrap my moi. I'm going to do this for all the moi that I have here. I'm going to wrap them little by little. I'll also double this leaf so that it doesn't spill into the pot. When I'm done, I'll place it into my pot of boiling water, adding a little water, allow to cook. I allowed mine to cook for about 45 to 1 hour time, and my moi was ready. This moi came out so nice and delicious, and I know you want to give this a try. So for the things I used, I just used coconut milk to give this moi a little bit of different taste, and this moi was also made with the back of the beans in it, and I made this with honeywell beans. So you can see, you can try things out. This is not the regular beans that is being used for moi, but nonetheless, this came out so nice. So this is the moi. It has cooked and it is ready to be served. I'm serving this with coconut rice that I made and some fried plantain by the side. If you need a video of how I made this coconut rice, it is also up on my channel. You can check my channel for a video of how I made this coconut rice. If you've not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. Till next time, I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.